Okay, so this is what I does. I use the original little throttle arm right here. Now you put the governor arm back on it. I took the governor spring, this spring that went to that round thing. I already cut this bracket up. Okay, yeah. So I can't show you that no more, but it's on my other video. Okay, so I took this spring, bolted it where the held the bracket, and then I got it right here, and then I reattached the governor arm. So it's already got it. It was already there, and that's what it was doing. It was controlling the carburetor. So why not just go ahead and keep controlling the carburetor from here? Because see, now you got this. You know what I'm saying? See, and then I just hook my throttle. It depends on how much throw I'm going to get, or how much throw I need. So I can either hook the throttle cable here, here, here. I mean, I can drill another hole anywhere and put this throttle cable on. So the throttle's going to work. Now I got to figure out is it choke, but who really cares about a stupid choke anyhow? So I've mounted the motor. I got the motor mounted, and I turned it up on its side so I can put my go ahead and start back together with everything. But I gotta put my pulley on it before I can push my steering gear back up in there. And I made these, I made these spacers. Because this pulley's got to line up with the with this gear back here. So I'll get all that put back together. So I got my pulley back up in there, and I got the belt on it. It's just laying up on there. But I got my steering gear back together. So I made this steering gear. This is a steering gear off of Murray, because I don't want to talk about this is the second time I did this this axle on it, but I got it right now, or close enough right to me. I just had to extend these steering arms with a piece of pipe. But I got my steering gear up there. My sector gear is kind of lined up. But this is the gear that I was talking about. That's got to be lined up. See, this gear back here has to be lined. I mean, not lined up as far as left and right, but up and down. It's got to be fairly close. So the belt don't get hot and break before too long. But this is where it's at. All right, I got the clutch brake pedal back on it. I got the belt back on it. Tomorrow I'll start on a clutch. It had a clutch on it, but I didn't like it. So tomorrow I'm gonna build a clutch. All right.